Hello, this is my first review video. I'm reviewing the Strathberry bags. I have a mini here with me and then a mini tote. I'm going to start with the mini. The mini is a small bag, and I've already kind of done a little cutting here just so it helps me with the whole unboxing. But as I was saying, the mini is a bag in which you're not going to be fitting a lot in it. Maybe a wallet and a phone, bare necessities, whatever you need to just go to the grocery store. You're not going to fit a water bottle in it, obviously. The dimensions of this is, well, to put in exact, I'm going to put my phone here for measurements. I have a Samsung Galaxy Ultra 23, so we're going to see if it actually fits into this mini bag by Strathberry. Already, I'm taking it out. I'm gonna start moving things aside so I can do this. Dust-free mini tote. This is actually really common in bags. It's looks like it's dust-free. There's already some cat hairs on it. Dust-free, but really common to come with like purses that you'll get. This is mostly here for, you gotta hang up your bag, don't hang up your bag, put it in this tote and then hang it up. Just, it keeps it nice because the leather that they use is very high quality, and if you want to keep things nice, you gotta protect them. So here is the mini tote. As we can see, yeah, it looks nice. The chain feels really good. Comes up, comes down. I'm assuming this is for wearing. All right, easy to wear just like that. Or, check this out. Yeah, that's gonna be really nice. That's very, very nicely crafted. I'm in awe already. And then you just, the weight of the chain just kind of like pushes it back down into the bag itself, so that's kind of cool. Let's see now if my phone will fit in it. This company was founded in 2013, a husband and wife, and they were traveling in Spain, and they traveled to many different villages around the area, and they were just super impressed with the quality of artistry that the villages have, like leatherworking from cabinetry to everything. And that whole artistry just, oh my gosh, it fits. It fits really, really snug, but it definitely fits. Actually, I'm pretty sure if I pulled out the chain, it would fit even better. There you go. There you go. And there we go. Like a glove. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. And even if I think I push it out, yeah, it's super snug. Samsung 23 Ultra fits like a glove in a Strathberry mini. And it closes beautifully, just like that, with like a magnetic system. But as I was saying, the founders, they're inspired by a lot of the back in the day OG artistry in some of these smaller villages that, I mean, your last name, was it Tanner? Was it Baker? Was it something just meant something with a lot of the families there. And that kind of dictated what your family was then going to be good at doing. Like, is it going to be bags? Is it going to be like baking? Is it going to be carpentry, cabinetry, something like that? I will say they love working with their cows. For sure. The feel of this is really good. It's quite exquisite, actually. They strive for a very minimalistic approach, and the color scheme is just great. This comes in various different colors. The chain is just like all over the place. Various different colors, and I picked this one because it's just neutral, earthy tones. It was very pleasant. So yeah, that is the Strathberry Mini. and we will get into the next one. I can't wait. Now, as much as I say that they love their cows, what does that really mean? Like, are they doing best practices? Are they just, I don't know, like, a lot of people are a bit sensitive this day on the best practice for tanners, and a lot of people, especially environmental, and it's good to be aware of that. You're taking something that is fair, that is best practice, that is good for the environment, that is good for everyone, animal involved. This company in particular stood out to me because they do possess the audited certification from the Leather Workers Group, meaning the tanners have been assessed as compliant with the environment's best practice within the leather manufacturing industry, and are continuing to follow guidelines for continual improvement. So, that in a nutshell, they're coming from a good place. They're doing their best. A lot of the stuff that I have that I'm unboxing, it's pretty much recyclable. This bag itself, there's nothing, like, I'm pretty sure that in itself is recyclable if need be. So, yeah. The mini tote bag. Let's see. I gotta move some stuff around. Doo-doo-doo. And here we go. Oh, look at how nice that is. So excited. How do I get this open, you might ask? Looks like you push that down, pull that back, and a magnets help you open it up, just like so. That's pretty deep. I could probably fit about 4 water bottles in there. It looks like it comes with a longer strap if you don't want to carry it around, which is pretty common. These are the connecting little loops for that. And if you don't like this, I know their shop has the chained one. This one is just the default what it comes with. I might purchase the chain one because I was really impressed with the chain on this mini one. But this is the mini tote, and I didn't want to get anything too big, too wild. Price point, I did take advantage of the Black Friday sale, so hee. There will likely be a winter sale, and I don't think the prices will be anywhere different. But yeah, everything is super polished, super refined. I agree, it's extremely minimalistic. Yeah, I hope you like the unboxing of these. This is great. All right.